Good morning, everybody. One thing today will be is unseasonably warm as we're going to get up into the mid 70s for your Tuesday. One thing today will not be is a day for any outdoor burning. Want to keep an eye on that. Picking up towards late morning, early afternoon, I see strong wind gusts coming across southeast Kansas over into west central Missouri. So we may see some gusts up to 40 miles per hour. I think those will be pretty far and few between. I think much more common will be gusts between 25, 26, and about 30 miles per hour through predominantly this afternoon. Now, what makes this a slightly elevated fire risk? Again, we're not going to see any headlines about that. Conditions to issue bulletins are not met. But when we do have these strong wind gusts this afternoon, relative humidity does drop down. There are a few pockets where relative humidity gets down into the 40s, which brings us just a slightly elevated fire danger for today, Tuesday. So, temperature wise, today turns out to be the warmest day of the week. But how hard is the forecast going to be for the weekend? Take a look at that. Saturday, we're still hanging on to the upper 60s, at least for Harrisonville temperatures. By Sunday, a strong cold front finally drags its way across the region where we may get up to only 45 for a high on Sunday. But enjoy today, 73, 66 tomorrow for your Wednesday, and at least the low 70s going to round out the rest of this week. So the next thing to know this week is that Thursday afternoon over into Friday morning, I think will be the period that we will see a cold front work its way across the region. It does have a little bit of precipitation to gather to work with. And so I think from Thursday afternoon over into Thursday night, all done by maybe 7 to 9 a.m. Friday morning, we could see, get ready for this, a few hundredths to a tenth of an inch of rainfall. This morning's data making me think that east of a line, about here, I will say like south of Chillicothe and south, rather. So maybe this area over here shifted a little bit more towards northern Missouri, might get over that tenth of an inch mark. The rest of us, just a few hundredths of an inch is a reasonable expectation. Although data this morning showing a few straggling showers might make it a little bit more, a little further west into west central Missouri come Friday morning. So we'll keep an eye on that. But by and large, that's about as excited as you can get about that. Today's weather brought to you by Titan Rentals in Butler, Missouri. There is the phone number. Check them out on Facebook as well for all of your equipment rental needs, skid steers, lifts, trailers, whatever it is you're looking for. Please keep these guys in mind. Sponsoring the Weather Spot today. That is what I know on a Tuesday. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll catch you back later.